I'm at the BEV section for this 2026 Hilux preview event. So we have 3 Travo-es parked in this area. Hey guys, what's up? Welcome to Thai Auto News. In this video, I'll be reviewing the 2026 Toyota Hilux Travo-e all-electric pickup truck. We'll be checking out the exterior design, the interior design, as well as some of the performance figures for this new Toyota pickup truck. But before checking out the video, don't forget to support the channel, hit the subscribe button as well as the like and bell icon to be notified whenever we have a new car video from Thailand. ขอบคุณครับ Although the 2026 Toyota Hilux is based on the old IMV2 platform, it has been totally redesigned inside and out. The front end features the Cyber Sumo design language and looks awesome, looks really modern, futuristic. The design is quite geometric and it's not as boxy as the Hilux Champ or the recently introduced Land Cruiser FJ. The Travo-e comes with LED lighting all round and there's also auto high beam as well. Although it's an EV, the front end is not totally clean. You still have these air intakes. Meanwhile, the wheels look really aerodynamic. This is special only for the Travo-e variant. Look like aero wheels in my point of view. There are 17-inch alloys made it to 265/65 Bridgestone dual tires. The LED taillights come with glossy black frame, and for the first time there are side steps on the rear bumper. Our display truck didn't come with any bed liner, so you might want to be prepared to spend a little bit extra for that. According to Toyota, the Travo-e is powered by dual electric motors, front and rear, producing a combined 196 horsepower. Well, the front electric motor can produce 205 Newton meters of torque, while the rear motor throws in another 269 Newton meters. The NMC lithium-ion battery in this Travo-e has a capacity of 59.2 kilowatt hours. Fast charging is possible through a DC 125 kilowatt with electric motors both front and rear. This is an all-wheel drive vehicle. According to Toyota, the suspension has been improved as well, and this one comes with electric power steering as well as multi-terrain select. So we have off-road mode for this truck. You get a new version of the Toyota Safety Sense. Comes with blind spot and rear cross traffic alert, as well as 360-degree camera, plus 7 airbags. The interior of the Hilux Travo has been totally redesigned. Looks super modern. We do get digital displays for both the driver as well as the center. So over here we have a 12.3-inch driver display up front, as well as another 12.3-inch center touchscreen. The top part of the console is a bit plasticky, but you do get padding right down from that part. The top part of the door panel is also a soft touch, which is really good. Multi-function steering wheel. Design really matches the exterior. But you know what? So many buttons all over. We have USB-Cs over here, connection, as well as a drive mode selector dial in the center right there. Over here, being an EV, look at the gear shift. Electronic gear shift in this electric pickup truck from Toyota. Parking brake over here, auto brake hold, 2 more cup holders, small storage area. Yeah, pretty large center storage over here. So in here you have 2 more charging ports, one 12 volt and another one is an AC outlet over here. Size of this center armrest is okay, not too small, I like it. Sunglass holder and some lighting. No mirror for the sun visor except on the left side. No light also. Hello, is it electric car? The seats are powered. Fairly comfortable, quite supportive at the back. So let's see if there's a lumbar support. Yeah, they have lumbar support. So wow, not easy to get lumbar support from Toyota. This is nice. So power seats. Not on the left. This side is manual. Back seats. The driver's seat has been adjusted to my height. I'm 6 foot tall, 183 centimeters. So in terms of leg room, about this much. So not spectacular, just about average, I guess. Headroom as well. So not excited about the space at the back. Although I think the seat pretty plush. And the upholstery provides a nice touch. We have hanging hooks on both sides, as well as aircon vent down here. 2 more USB-C ports, as well as back pouches. Armrest over here. Adjustable headrest, but a little bit easy to remove. Okay, maybe a headrest, not very impressive. The build quality kind of flimsy, I think. Soft touch is only for the front door. On this rear door, it starts getting plasticky. Being an all-wheel drive vehicle with raised suspension, you do get a lot of handles in this cabin. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 handles around the cabin for ease of entering and exit. Okay, so that wraps up our review of the Toyota Travo-e. If you enjoyed the video, don't forget to support the channel. Hit the subscribe button as well as the like and bell icon to be notified whenever we have a new car video from Thailand. That's all from me today. สวัสดีครับ